Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoom call, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn on your video camera for a Zoom call? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to turn on your video camera for a Zoom call anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing sales calls or maybe team meetings, sometimes you're going to be required to be on video. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled directly in the Zoom call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up an actual Zoom call that I'm on right now. Now, in order to turn on my camera, what you're going to do is down here on the bottom left, you're going to look for this video camera logo. Go ahead and click on there. All right. Quick second later, the camera pops up. So you can see this is what all of the participants are going to see that are on the Zoom call. Now, if you want to change around the settings for the video, you can click on the little arrow next to the video camera. To do that, you can choose a different camera to show up on that's connected to your computer. You can also choose to blur your background, as you can see right here. And if you want to go ahead and adjust your background, it's going to be on this button right here, Adjust Background and Effects. So you can go ahead and add different filters. You can see I have this kind of like gray filter. You can change it to different colors. You can add sunglasses if you want. I'm not sure why you'd do that if it was a professional meeting. And then you can also turn off all the filters right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn on your video camera for a Zoom call, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.